Here are some mistakes beginner creators make that slow growth. Hi there, my name is Adewumi. Once again, I want to say welcome back to my channel, and to every single one just joining in, I welcome you to this amazing space. Today we are talking content creation. So sit back, relax, and learn. On today's video, we are talking about some mistakes beginners make that slow growth. If you're posting but not growing, one of these mistakes might be why. Most beginners think growth is about luck or algorithms, but many times it's about avoidable mistakes. Let's get right into some of these mistakes that some of us beginner creators are making. One of the is you are posting without a clear message. What is your video about? What is your page about? What is your content about? Always make sure that each video you are posting passes a clear message. Focus on a purpose for each video. Mistake number 2 is you are trying to copy bigger creators. Never copy anyone. I mean, getting inspiration is fine because no one is an island, but getting inspired by someone's work is different from outrightly copying them. And it's important to know that people can always tell when you copy other creators, and this just makes you unauthentic to them, which will make them scroll past your video, pass, or even decide not to follow you at all. Mistake number 3, inconsistency from perfectionism. This happens when you want to do things well, but that desire quietly stops you from doing them at all. You are not lazy, you are not unserious, you just don't want to put out something that feels not good enough. So instead of posting imperfectly and improving over time, you delete your content, you record and delete, you edit and over-edit, you plan and replan, you delay and disappear. On the outside, it looks like inconsistency, but on the inside, it's fear disguised as high standard. So what you need to do right now is post that content. Whatever idea you have in your head, film it anyhow you want to film it and post it. You improve over time. You don't improve when you keep your content in your gallery or in your drafts. You improve over time. So let's go of that fear today and improve as you go so you can grow. Mistake number 4, you are talking too generally. People don't know you for something. They don't know what you are creating about. They don't know what your content is about. They don't know what your page is about. So this is where picking a niche and bettering yourself at it is super important. When you're just starting out, it is very important for you to have a niche. If you're here to watch my video on how to find your niche, click this video to watch it. When a content is unique to you, it is easier for people to find you. Take for instance, when you hear Vanessa Gima, you know we are talking makeup. When you hear MC Macaroni, you know we are talking skits. And you hear Purple Speedy, you know we are talking dancing content. So yeah, you need to pick something that is unique to you. Last mistake is you giving up too early. It is important to know that this is not a place where magic happens. You can't start today and grow today. You grow over time. Every single big creator that you see today started from somewhere. They started with no followers, low views, engagements giving them issues, editing giving them issues before they got to where they are today. So you need to do the work so you can get the results. And it is very important for you not to go in with the mindset of making money immediately you start. It doesn't work that way. It takes time and requires patience to achieve results. So as we always say, consistency is very important. Consistency is key. Consistency is what will take you far. The more you put out content, the more you grow, the more you know what to do, what not to do, and how to go about it. We've come to the end of today's video, and I've been leaving you with this. Know that growth is not magic. It takes clarity and patience. And that's it for today. I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll also love to read some comments from you. If there's anything you don't understand when it comes to content creation, drop them down below and I'll definitely make a video about it. See you on my next one, guys. Bye.